Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this session, we shall learn chapter 2 of class 8, linear equations in one variable. Okay, so we have already discussed few concepts of this chapter in the earlier videos. You can get the videos by clicking on the I button. So now let's get started. So in this video, we shall learn how to reduce equations to simpler form. Okay, so this is the last topic of this chapter. So now looking at this equation, you feel that it is little complex. Yes, but it is easy to reduce it to the simpler form and to find the value of x. Now let us see how. So the question is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so the first step is we'll bring all the x terms together, nothing but all the like terms together. Okay, so firstly it is x by 2. Let me bring x by 3 to this side. Okay, so it becomes minus x by 3. Okay, so is equal to, you have 1 by 2 this side and minus 1 by 4, if you take it to the other side, becomes plus 1 by 4. Clear? Now you have 2 and x by 2 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So now let us take LCM for these two terms separately. Okay, so now LCM of 2 and 3 is nothing but 6. Okay, since the LCM is 6, you will multiply this denominator with 3 and numerator with 3, so that denominator equals to LCM. Okay, now 2 3s are 6. So you will multiply numerator with 3. Now it is x into 3 is nothing but 3x. Okay, you have minus in between, write it. Now you have 6 here. So 3 2s are 6, you know. So you will multiply the numerator also with 2. Okay, so this is x into 2. So it is 2x. Clear? So this is equal to, here also let us take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Clear? So now you have 4 in the LCM and you have 2 here. That means 2 2s are 4, so you will multiply the numerator by 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 is 2. You have a plus in between. Now 4 and 4, you have same denominator, so you can take 1 as it is. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is x and you have divided by 6 is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Okay, now I want the value of x. So x is equal to, now 6 I have to send it to the other side. So it is 3 by 4, 6 is in division. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes what? It becomes multiplication. So into 6. Okay, so 4 cancels 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so x is equal to 9 by 2. Clear? So this is how you can find the value of x even if when the equation given is complex. Okay, so you will reduce it to simpler form. Look at the next question. You have x minus 4 divided by 7 minus x plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to x plus 3 divided by 7. Okay, looks little complex. Yes, so let us make it simple. So firstly let us take LCM of 7 and 5. So LCM of 7 and 5 is nothing but 35. Okay, so 7 5s are 35, so you will multiply this entire thing with 5. Okay, so it is 5 into x minus 4. Okay, you have a minus in between, write it. Now again 5 7s are 35, so you will multiply this entire numerator with what? With 7. So it is 7 into x plus 4 is equal to, write the RHS as it is. Okay, now solving this numerator, it is 5 into x minus this 5 multiplies to both these numbers. Yes, so it is 5 into x minus 5 into 4 is 20. Similarly here also 7 multiplies with x and 7 multiplies with 4. So 7 into x is 7x, minus into plus is minus, 7 into 4 is 28 divided by 35 is equal to x plus 3 by 7. Clear? So now you have 5x and you have minus 7x. 5x minus 7x gives you what? It gives you minus 2x. Okay, so you'll subtract and you'll write the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is minus 7x, so you'll write minus sign. Okay, minus, you have 20 and minus 28. Minus 20, minus 28, you will add both the negative integers and you'll write a minus sign before that. Okay, so it is minus 48. Okay, divided by 35 is equal to x plus 3 by 7. Clear? Now what shall we do? We shall cross multiply. Okay, so nothing but you will multiply the numerator with the denominator of RHS, numerator of LHS with denominator of RHS, and numerator of RHS with denominator of LHS. Okay, cross multiplication. Clear? So this becomes 7 into, okay, so denominator of RHS into numerator of LHS. Okay, minus 2x minus 48 is equal to, now numerator of RHS into denominator of LHS. So it is 35 into x plus 3. Okay, so let us solve. Again here also you can see 7 you will multiply with both the numbers. Here 35 also you will multiply with both the numbers. Okay, so this is nothing but 7 into 2 is 14, but you have minus 2, so it is minus 14x. Okay, 7 into minus 48, so 48 into 7, so this is 336, but you have a minus, so minus 336 is equal to, so 35 into x is 35x and 35 into 3 is 105, so you have plus 105. Okay, now let us bring all the x terms together. So 14x you will take it to the other side. Okay, so it is minus 336 equal to 35x, it is minus 14x. If it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 14x, you have plus 105. Okay, so it is minus 336, this 105, let me bring it to the other side, all the constants at one side, so it is plus 105, so it comes to the other side, becomes minus 105 equal to 35 plus 14, so it is 949x. Okay, so now adding these two, so 336, 105, so if you add, what do you get? So it is 441. Okay, so it is minus 441, two negative integers you will add and you will write a minus sign, equal to 49x. So x is equal to what? This 49 is in multiplication, if it goes to the other side it becomes division, so minus 441 divided by 49. So this is 7 7s are 49, 7 6s are 42, you have a 2 reminder, so this is 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, again 7 1s are 7, 7 9s are 63, so x is equal to, you have minus 9. Okay, so the value of x you solved is minus 9. So the next question is 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4. Okay, so firstly let us take the number as x, so let the number be x. Okay, now 4/5 of the number is nothing but 4 by 5 of x. Okay, so they are saying that 4/5 of the number is greater than 3/4 of the number by how much? By 4. Okay, is greater than 3/4 of the number is 3 by 4 x, and this number 4/5 of the number is greater than 3/4 of the number by x. That means when you subtract these two numbers, you will get what? You will get 4. Clear? So now we have to solve to get the number. Clear? So I hope this condition is clear for you. 4/5 of the number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4, which means when you subtract these two, you will get 4 as the answer. Okay, so now let us solve. So taking LCM 5 and 4, you have 20. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, so here the numerator should be multiplied by what? By 4. Okay, so this is nothing but 4 4s are 16. You have x also in the numerator, don't forget, minus, here it is 4 5s are 20, so here also you will multiply by 5. Okay, so 3 5s are 15 and you have x equal to 4. Okay, so this is nothing but 16x minus 15x is x equal to, you have 20 here in the denominator, equal to 4. Okay, so I want the value of x. X is nothing but 4 into 20. Why? 20 is in division. Here if it goes to the other side it becomes multiplication, so x is 80. Okay, so you can substitute the value of x in this condition and check if the value is 4 or not. Moving on to the next question. So John has sold a watch at the cost of 301. Okay, that means selling price is 301. Okay, he has sold the watch at 301, at price 301. Okay, so and he got a loss of 14% on the watch. Okay, so you have to find the cost price of the watch. So how do you find it? Loss or profit, always we calculate on the cost price. Okay, so we calculate on how much we are spending. Clear? So suppose you bought something for 150 rupees. So did you get loss or profit? Always you will calculate on this 150 rupees. Okay, if you are selling more than 150, you get profit. Okay, if you are selling less than 150, you will get loss. Okay, so always we will see with reference to the cost price 150. Okay, here cost price is nothing but how much you are spending to get that product. Okay, so here selling price is 301, he sold it for 301 rupees and he got a loss of 14%. So as I said, loss is always on the cost price. So firstly let cost price be x. Okay, now loss is on cost price as I said. So loss is how much? Loss is 14%. Okay, that means it is 14% on cost price. Okay, so this is nothing but 14% is 14 by 100. on CP. CP is what? CP is X you have taken. Okay, so loss is 14 by X of 100. Now, selling price is nothing but cost price minus loss. Yes, selling price is nothing but cost price minus loss. Okay, so selling price you got it as 301 rupees, cost price you don't know it is X, minus loss is 14 by X, 100 into X. Okay, so this is nothing but solving, taking LCM 100, this is 100x minus 14x. So 301 is equal to 100x minus 14x divided by 100. Okay, so take 100 to the other side, so it is 301 into 100 is equal to 100x minus 14x is what? It is 86. So this is 86x. Clear? So now, so x is nothing but 301 into 100 now divided by 86. Here 86 is multiplication. If it goes to the other side it becomes division. So this is 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 0. Okay, so solving you get x equal to 350. Clear? Which is nothing but the cost price is 350. That's all for this session, and we have completed this chapter with this video. So I hope you like this chapter, you like this video. So give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.